Oh, yeah,
And
nandun dyan.
equip the speedy shoes, which increases our speed by 5%. So basically,
Oh, lalaparan, tapos
right?
ipantay mo lang sa ano, yung
Goob,
bintana.
out of the way so we don't have to worry about that later. Hey there, Mr. Goob, see me around this corner so that I can hide here and you don't eat my face. Thank you very much. I know I'm a pumpkin, but I don't think I would make very good pumpkin pie.
Oh, yeah, pantay dyan.
I don't really know. But please don't try.
Tapos yung ano, yung hangiran, may hangiran yung ibabaw, boss. Tapos, mga yung drawer sa baba.
Siguro pwede.
So let's see, we can mark off Rebecca off the list, so we can also mark off Snoop from the list.
Oh, ayun na lang gagawin nyo sa babalik ka po ba sa Lunes? Lunes hanggang ano, Webes. Merkulis. Kaya,
Why am I recording on the freaking TV?
Merkulis, dahil pahinga ka muna ng ano.
Sorry if you can't see it that much. So that is so cool. I love Michael Gordon.
As much as possible, one to scare you guys, because like, you're scared. Yes, two brand new Twisteds. We got Tisha and Toodles. Matisse.
Oh, designan mo na lang yan.
Put your guesses in the comments.
May nabibili yata na ano yung mga...
Normally, it takes us like, I don't know.
Pwede lang naman ano yun
because there is a main in every single
plywood, di ba?
column in this. And then of course Gordy is in the middle for this one. So we're gonna have to get all the way to 420 probably to see Gordy. But you never know.
Kailan may drawer, kailan drawer sa baba.
That would be amazing.
Oh, tingnan mo lang kung... Kasi yung ilang drawer kaya sa baba. Tatlo, no?
And one here.
Oh, tatlo na yan. Nagkaroon na ng
Here.
patong siya.
Oh my gosh, another Tisha.
Oh, dalawang patong. Oh,
So
tawa.
getting it seen by Tisha is
Isa pa
our
pa
second
ng
trip.
patong. Tapos,
Yes, we don't have to more stuff yet.
tapos,
Thank you for chasing me.
Oh,
You
yan
know,
na
Shuko,
lang.
we share some
Kasi basta
stats you
magdodrawing na lang
You
ako.
guys have the
Oh,
same stealth.
isasagad mo na ba yan sa taas? O
Stamina. I can relate to you.
sobrang taas lang?
Something tells me you would.
Sobrang taas na.
Wait.
Ganyan lang katangkad.
Okay lang yan, may space at taas. Kagaya mo lang.
Sorry. Well, unfortunately, we can
Oh.
only mark off shrimp bonus, guys. But that's
Oh,
okay.
sige, ganun bahala dyan para ano. Ayun lang gawin nyo next week.
Come on, do twisted, please.
Para
Boxing, yes. Boxing
maligpit
career.
yan.
I love you, I'm a big fan, except for the fact that I don't love you at all and I'm not a fan. And who else is that? Oh, Toodles again? Wow, okay. Well, we can't buy off Toodles again, so we might as well just do the machines. Never mind. Boxing's not even on the bingo card this time.
Yung-
I had to remove some.
yung ano dyan, boss, yung sa taas ng-
Boxing didn't make the cut.
Oh, ganyan. Yung sa taas ng ano, yung...
Hey, at least we made it to the Halloween floor. There's no Gordy here, but we do have Sylvester.
Oh.
Such a big fan of you. I like you a lot. Thank you. Oh, yes.
Oh.
You make such a great point. Oh, sorry. I was just talking to my cousin right here. Well, who here is our second Twisted on this floor? I haven't seen anybody. Oh, Cashel, tell me, please. Yata.
Oh.
Okay. I don't know where she is,
Yung...
but I'm gonna find her. Right after I do some machines. How dare you are, you see little yada you.
Oh.
Of course you're on the Halloween
Oh,
map.
pwede.
You're probably going up to eat all the
Basta hindi
candy.
lang sa gabal sa
Thank
paghangit.
you for noticing me.
Punta sa drawing na to.
Oh yes, two new Twisted marked off the bingo card.
Oh,
Let's see. We got
para pag nalasing-
ourselves,
Para pag nalasing ako, dyan na matulog sa loob ng
Right
drawer.
there, there's two in this row. And we also got Yata. Two in this one.
Pagbukas, may
Oh,
drawing dito.
that's
Oh.
so sad.
Tapos yung, di ba doon sa nilagyan nyo ng cabinet sa CR, pwede dikitan mo ng, ano dyan, yung salamin.
Wait, we do need Brusha, right? Is Brusha on there? Did I
Sa-
remember to put Brusha
may-
on the card?
maliit na yung malayo.
I don't think Brusha's on there.
Pwede naman yan, no?
No! Yep, no, Brusha's not on the card. Okay, I guess we just finished the floor then.
Oo, ayos yan.
Please,
Ayos
please,
yan.
somebody new.
Panalo.
Oh my gosh, Poppy! Is Poppy on the... Poppy's on there! Yes! Okay, we gotta go see Poppy.
Panalo.
Was that? And Louis! Oh my gosh, yes! Two people
Okay.
both on the card, and we've not marked them off yet. I still do have to make sure that I'm seeing my pocket before we leave this floor. But I'm sure we'll run into each other at some point, right? Oh, speaking of which, okay, Poppy, over
Baka
here.
ayan ang mabulot ni Mrs. Ipalong sa akin.
Machine. Now,
It tastes like beer.